Accessibility work is never finished. It's an ongoing, continuing journey. What an accessible product really looks like, it's not just ticking the boxes, but it's actually embedding accessibility all throughout a product life cycle. So starting from the design stage, to the actual implementation of the product, to seeing how the product is actually used with actual users. Considering accessibility across this whole spectrum is what really sets apart companies that are just ticking boxes versus delivering really accessible experiences. At RMIT, we have 0 accessibility errors in our homepage according to an automated accessibility testing tool. We also have a quite strong digital accessibility procedure which outlines what staff at RMIT should do to meet our levels of digital accessibility. And we also have implemented accessibility across different parts of the development cycle of our webpage. Then we do accessibility reviews for each one of them. The next steps would be to move on from this very strong technical foundation that we've achieved in terms of digital accessibility and actually bring in more users with disability to our user testing, and also from an academic point of view, making sure that we have pipelines that support students with disability entering higher education. There are different channels for staff and students to get the support they need to meet their accessibility needs. For students, the primary point of contact would be Equitable Learning Services. They are able to provide an equitable learning plan that outlines the accommodations the student needs in order to complete their coursework. The information in this plan is managed anonymously, so the privacy of students is protected. For staff, the first point of contact for staff needing accessibility adjustments would be our Workplace Adjustments Officer to figure out what the staff needs are and then provide adjustments accordingly, working together with managers and with other relevant staff. Digital accessibility is everyone's responsibility. Doesn't matter whether it's a frontline staff working with students directly or whether it's an executive staff, everyone has a role to play in making sure that accessibility is met at every single level of the organization.